Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will show you viewers beautiful tile garden decor ideas. So I hope you will enjoy my videos. So let's start today's video friends. So viewers, first idea is tire flower planter paint and our tire in bright color like yellow, pink or blue. Fill it with salt and plant flower. You can place it on the ground or hang it on the wall. And viewers, friends, next word is friends, tire animal shape. Turn tire into cute animals like frog, ladybug. Use paint and early decorative buffer for kids garden area. Hanging tire box. Hang tire with rope or chain. Add plants inside for a vertical garden look. Great for small space, tire garden, seating, and friends. Take 2 and 3 tires and cushions on top. You get a simple outdoor stool or seat. You can also warp it with rock for a stylish look. And friends, I hope you like my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, so Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.